Alright, listen, man. Coming to the stage, man. Y'all know who the fuck he is. He need no introduction. He's from here. This is his fucking town. He put the whole show together. Y'all know what I'm talking about? This nigga likes to take his shirt off for no fucking reason. He looks like Joe Button a little bit. So y'all already know what the fuck the vibes is, man. Clap your fucking hands. I need energy, y'all. That's it. We closing the show right now. Clap it up for my boy Pluug. Yeah.
1, 2, come through, run through. Oh, you don't know the gun. Don't you know? A little pride. You think you want to try and fuck around and start a ride. Niggas don't buy, regardless, because I'm the hardest rap artist and I'm a star. For real, get up and deal.
What up, everybody? What up, everybody? Y'all let everybody know I did the damn thing. I brought Mr. Commodore here. Come on. I need a round of applause better than that. I want y'all to give all the comedians a round of applause. And I'm saying one more time, I love all you guys. Y'all came out. I really love y'all because there was no drama, there was no bullshit. So I'm about to bring my alter ego up. His name is Dirty Pluug. Bring Dirty Pluug to the stage. Look at my twin, everybody. Everybody got a twin. Give him a round of applause. Yo, so this is my alter ego. So I'll be like, hey, bill collector, how are you doing today? And this is what I really mean. What's up, bitch? And when I said thank you, what did I really mean, my alter ego? Fuck you here for? And when I'm touching on my nipple, what am I thinking about? I'm a weird nigga. When I look in the mirror, I look at myself and I say, what? It's Pluug, baby. So, let me tell y'all a little story. Are y'all motherfuckers ready? So, these kids today is real disrespectful. Am I right? Are they disrespectful? They curse you out. They're like, who the fuck you talking to, nigga? No, this is real talk. So I had to look at it, nigga. I'm like, what's wrong with these little niggas? It's y'all fault for being some bitch-ass parents and scared of the police and not punching them motherfuckers in the face. I'm being for real. Because half of y'all kids that live out here already told their kids I was going to fuck them up. And I was going to fight half their parents. I swear to God, it's real facts, don't get mad. Because it all comes from home. Don't take it personal, this is comedy. This is facts. I come from, you say something to a grown nigga, you grown. And what a grown nigga do? Punch a motherfucker in the face. Am I right? I'm taking my shirt off, I'm hot. I'm secure with my motherfucking self. Yo, I don't give a fuck. I'm enjoying myself. I'm just glad y'all came out. Let me keep it 100. Wow. If I could see you, I would tell you. But all I see is your eyes. They go like this. Sexy chocolate, where you at? Where you at? That's what I'm talking about.
This is nice. Y'all came out tonight. The fuck? Was it a distance? She was on Groupon? And that kid just came for the free food? That's what's up, man. Beautiful crowd, man. Beautiful crowd, man. How is it, man? How is it out here, man? I'm planning on moving out here soon. No? Y'all don't want to be here? What the fuck? I don't want to be in your own fucking town. That's crazy, man. Where the collection plate at? Cause I owe 50 Cent some fucking money and I'm trying to pay this nigga back. Like, y'all gonna help me pay 50 Cent back? Y'all fucked up too? Yeah, I done went to Tycoon, got wifey locked the fuck up so I can enjoy my weekend and shit. I had to do something, man. Any birthdays in here tonight? Anybody celebrating a birthday? Nobody has a fucking birthday in here. Anybody celebrating a divorce? Everybody. Anybody here with their side chick? Clap it up with your side chick. Clap it up with your side chick right now. Damn, everybody cheating in this bitch. What the fuck is going on up in here? Anybody here with their side nigga? Cause you know niggas don't come to comedy shows. Niggas do not come to comedy shows. Like, the conversation go like, baby, I'm going to come. Go ahead, you want to go see that? They like, they gonna be too tough. They don't like to laugh. Hee hee ha ha. Niggas be he alright. He made me eat. Little. But you know, I got fired from my job, y'all. Everybody still work? Everybody got a job in here? Fuck y'all. Fuck all y'all working motherfucker. Y'all working and shit, man. I was security too, man. I was good at it. I mind my business. I let niggas smoke weed. Let niggas drink. I didn't bother nobody. No snitching, know what I'm saying? I just wore the uniform because it paid good and shit, know what I'm saying? But they fired me. They fired me. Anybody ever been fired before? You know how that feels? No? Yes? You know how that feels? I was gonna pull up and shoot the shit up, but I was like, you know, like, I don't wanna go to jail. Like, I'm not about that life. Like, fresh out is not me. Like, that's a whole different motherfucker. Like, I don't wanna go to jail. Like, I love my freedom. Know what I'm saying? Did I lose my girl? You be in jail, niggas be fucking your girl and shit. I don't wanna be in jail thinking about that. Like, that's a bad feeling. Can't eat when you want. You can't do a lot of shit in jail you could do when you're free. Know what I'm saying? Porn. They don't got porn in jail. Y'all like porn? Anybody like clap it up? You like porn? So y'all know who Wesley Pipes is? This nigga's a murderer, yo. This nigga be fucking with Tim's on. This nigga be having chicks on their neck, nigga. Say take some out. Bitch, how old are you? How old is this pussy? He be asking how old the pussy is. I think it's the same age as the person it belongs to, right? Nigga say, how old is this pussy? Disrespectful ass nigga, yo. I'd probably be him if I was a porn star too. Why not? Fuck it.
Some of y'all already know me, some of y'all don't. Tico, Amor'e. You know what I'm saying? First time, bitch is nervous. As you can see. You know what I'm saying? But trying this shit out, see what's poppin', see how I do. I'm letting it right now. You smell anything, it's me. A bitch on the bag, you feel me? I say I'm on a bag, literally, I'm on a bag. Me and my nigga fucking, shit getting good. I'm like, yo, kill that shit. This nigga gonna tell me, I don't wanna bust your bag. Nigga, what? I got bags, baby. I got two. I got three. Bust that shit open. Bust that shit open. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. Word. This shit is nice. This shit is hot. I couldn't get my hair done. My African bitch canceled on me talking about Tutu got a hernia. The fuck? Got a hernia, nigga. He not braiding my hair, you are. So I try to put a little jam on, so excuse me, I'm a little slippery. You know what I'm saying? Slippery when wet, niggas holler at me.
Shout out to Tekashi, y'all, man. Give it up for Tekashi 6ix9ine, y'all. Y'all ain't got no love for Brooklyn? And then Willie knows he did this. Y'all want to snitch? Y'all ain't no snitches in here? Not until you in his situation. Niggas got real. Niggas yo, what the fuck about it with that 6ix9ine shit, my nigga? Dead ass. I feel bad for him, man. They kidnapped him. They fucked his bitch. They took his money. I'm fucking snitching. I don't give a fuck. Fuck y'all. Boo me right now. I don't care. I'll boo myself. Boo! I'm free. Fuck y'all. Y'all gonna do 47 years for nigga that try to take your money? Fuck your bitch! And kidnap you and rob you? Enjoy. Fuck that.
Yeah, you guys know the news late at night, it's 10 p.m. Do you know where your children are? Nah, they have no idea I'm here. I snuck out just so I could say fuck in front of people who probably know my mom and dad. But, let me figure this out. This shit tiny as hell, okay. Damn, hey, shots fired? Over here violating the comedian. Look at this, hold on. It needs a lube, it won't go in. That's tough. That's tough. I don't know anything about that. That's all you guys. Hold on, I got a text message. Wait a second. Hold on, wait. It says, if you flop this show, I'm gonna beat your ass. Love you, brother. That's tough. No, I'm on Tinder. I'm just kidding. I didn't get a text message. But I snuck out. You already know. I left a note, so I'm not that bad. It says in all caps, we have your son. We won't bring him back until you raise his allowance. Love his mysterious kidnappers. P.S. We're all out of Hot Pockets. I love those damn Hot Pockets. The beef and cheese be hitting. Like, damn. I'd be outside the microwave with my shirt off, my underwear, you know what I'm saying? Be getting lit. Yo. It's facts, bro. It's facts. And I just discovered Pornhub. So when I watch porn, I mean, it's like walking on my parents. It's very sad. I'm having flashbacks like the Vietnam War. I have PTSD and shit. That shit is scary, dog. You ever walking in your parents just... Yo, you ain't... No. Like, at least put a condom on. Like, I don't want any brothers. Like, what the fuck? I'm good, dog. Like, fuck, dude. Like,
We're gonna get some more show going on, man. Right now, I got an artist right here from Ellenville. Y'all might know him well. So I need your energy right now. Clap it up, y'all. Clap it up for Ogeswagsensei. Let's go.
Now I done been through some real shit. Made me fuck around and wanna go and kill shit. But I stayed 10 toes on my real shit. Made a few moves in UK, been in ill shit. Okay, big racks thumbing through the cash. Yeah, that's big guap, big Glock. Get my little pants, make a bitch drop. Officer, and then my fit is clean. It's like some detergent, bombing jeans. It cost me a grip, I still make the purchase. Hold up, rainbow shot my wrist. My shit look like glitter. Niggas tryna be like me, they calling me the wizard. Ice trader, ice man, super shiver blizzard. I just fuck your baby mama on my way to eat the sister. Hating on me, I don't even know you. How you hating on me? All I do is get the bag and go home while y'all faking on me, bitch. But her older cousin, my niggas so serve. Feed them both. BBS is on my neck, they splurge. Looking like a boat, growing up I did the most. I was beating on the bands till my family was broke. Now I'm chilling with the pros. Now I done been through some real shit. Made me fuck around and wanna go and kill shit. But I stayed 10 toes on my real shit. Made a few moves in UK, many ill shit. Hey, now I done been through some real shit. Made me fuck around and wanna go and kill shit. But I stayed 10 toes on my real shit. Made a few moves in UK, I just cash out with them real figures. I'm a real winner. Diamonds on my neck so wet, they flow like a real river. I don't like to send them threats, I just put my real trigger. And so what if you make money? I make it a little quicker. Thought he said that I'm a snack, but I'm not no real snicker. Pussy nigga, you get smacked, maybe even kill, nigga. It's ill, nigga. Sensei be around and he be with them real killers. Now I done been through some real shit. Made me fuck around and wanna go and kill shit. But I stay 10 toes.